All right, so it's pretty darn cold outside, so we have a little bit of post kiteboarding, little warm up coffee right here. The creamer that's for this one right here. So how are you feeling right now?
Freezing.
She hates the cold. But is that helping at all or no?
Yeah, well, we also have the buddy heater on now though, so that helps. And my fuzzy sacks.
The buddy heater, definitely clutch. Here we go. Do a proper cheers post kiteboarding session. Another beautiful start to a beautiful day. We just finished up at the hot springs this morning, which is where we ended the night yesterday after kiteboarding. And then after breakfast, we're gonna head back into Lake Isabella for another kiteboarding session. But first, the breakfast. All right, here's the situation we're working with. Check out how nice. Like, this is, if you're gonna compare this van to our van. Yeah.
Look what we did so far.
Check this out.
Oh my gosh.
Like, this is Chef Boyardee action. Actually, this is like Gordon Ramsay status, being that you are in a Ram. I mean,
That's so cheesy.
you like that? No? Okay. And then there's Rolo.
Look at them. They have a good knife and a cutting board. They think of all the things.
Hey, wait. Foil.
Things you don't ordinarily think about, they have.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we just got back down the hill from Kern River, Lake Isabella, did the hot springs, kiteboarding, and we've turned this into a ritual now. We stop at Brazilian Bowls in Bakersfield on the way back home. These things are freaking amazing. I hit the spot every single time, especially after like a full day of kiteboarding and not eating anything for the entire day whatsoever. Yeah, I was starving.
And we got this vegan protein brownie, but we already ate it as an appetizer.
Yeah.
So good. And
So
last
good.
time they had these like energy balls, so I made it at home before, but they were really good here.
Yeah, so all in all, an amazing trip and can't wait for the next one. Till next time, peace! We out.